This is the Russell Hobbs Steam Glide Travel Iron. It's really compact, it's lightweight and really small and nice, and it has like a lot of features. It doesn't take up too much space. It does smooth ironing, and it has a stainless steel plate here that glides really smooth. It also has like steam. You can do steam if you turn this button right here. It does steam or no steam here. It's also spray. You can spray water. And what I also like about this is that you can just put it like this when you're resting. So it heats up when you're like turning the cloth around or something like that. You can rest it on the side just like that. I've used another one and it didn't have this, and it's not really nice, I would say, because you need to put it on the side or something like that, and I don't feel very safe, I would say. But with this, you feel very safe because it just stays like that, and the heated plate stays up and it doesn't fall, so you can rest safe. It won't fall and like start a fire or something, which is really great. The steam helps remove like tougher creases, which is good for such a small iron, and also the water spray will help with like extra stubborn wrinkles, which I have used because I've had some clothes with very stubborn creases and wrinkles. It has 80 millimeters water tank, which is enough, I would say, for a few clothes, yeah, without problems. But a thing that I don't like about this tank is that it doesn't have a cover here. So if you turn it around, if you want to store it, the water will fall. So you need to be careful about that. But that's the only thing I don't like about it. The rest is like very good. And it also has like more features, like dual voltage for travel. You can switch between 110 and 220, just here on the back, if you can see, to 230 and 115. So if you're going to USA or other countries that use the 110 voltage, you will be able to switch it, which is great because this is like really great for traveling. And there's a light here at the back. You can see now it's heating up, and it's heating up really fast. The cord length, it's good. It's about 1.5 meters, I would say 5 feet, something like that. So it does provide enough reach for comfortable use. It has 830 watts of power. You can see here, you can change the settings here as well, which I do like because some clothes might need a bit more power and some of them less. So that's really great. You can see the steam coming out right now. How about I do some steam? So you can see how smooth this glides over. There we go, steam is coming. Probably need to fill the tank a bit. So let's turn the steam off, but we do have this, which is great as well. It will make sounds like that when you have the steam on because water is coming out of this, but that's nothing to worry. This travel iron is like a great choice for somebody who needs like a compact, easy to use iron for traveling. So it has this dual voltage, which will help a lot if you're traveling in countries that need that. These different choices, and you don't have like a voltage converter. So it has like steam options, like this smooth sole plate. So it helps keep clothes wrinkle free on the go, and I highly recommend it.